Advanced Equivalent Expressions Race. This is a fun practice for the students with equivalent expressions that include integers, fractions, order of operations, decimals, combining like terms, and distributive property. Now, all of the instructions are on slide 2. Students can compete in teams, they can compete with each other, or just compete with themselves to see how quickly they can put all of these slides in the correct order. So they're going to start on slide 3. They're given an expression in the blue box. They have to match that with an equivalent expression in the white box at the top of one of the other slides. Now these are advanced expressions. I needed something a little bit more difficult for my more advanced students. So you'll see things like fractions in distributive property, be matching decimals and fractions. You'll get a problem such as this. You've got numbers like this, expressions where they have to use order of operations to solve it correctly. Expressions with exponents, expressions with a negative symbol outside the parentheses, and so on. So what they're going to do is they're going to start with this one, 56x negative 8y plus 16. So they're going to scroll up and down until they find an equivalent expression. Once they find it, they're going to click and hold, and then they're going to move it up into place. So now it's that second slide, so that these two now match. Now the slide that they just moved, they're given a new expression they have to solve. Find an equivalent expression in the white box at the top of one of the other slides. So here they're looking for 30x plus 6y plus 15. And they just scroll up and down. Once they find it, click and hold, and then they're going to move it into place. So now it's the third slide, so that the second and the third slide now match. Now if they do these all correctly, when they get to the final slide, it should be the one that says the end. So this is a winter-themed advanced equivalent expressions race.